Please consider becoming a patron of the Ramen Raider. Patrons receive special benefits like bonus videos, voting on the Patron's Choice Top 10, and early Top 10 list access. Visit patreon.com/the Ramen Raider and become a patron today. Thank you.
Alright, hey, this is Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And today, I've got something that came in a new my crate. Go to japancrate.com and use the coupon code the Ramen Raider for a discount. Ew! Anyways, here's what it is. It's a kimchi rice vermicelli kind of stir-fry deal. So what do we do here? Here's the Umai Crate informational pamphlet. I'll read to you. See, there's the thing I just showed you. It says kimchi vermicelli. This spicy stir-fried sauce is exploding with various flavors, including a rich gochujang chili paste, garlic and ginger with vermicelli noodles. Fry it with kimchi and your favorite vegetables and pork all in one pan. Stand upside down on your head. Pull your finger. Do all these things. We don't mind. So there you go. Anyways, the first thing you do is your vegetables and stuff. So I've got some onion, spring onion, and some mung bean sprouts. We're going all crazy today, yeah! And you throw in, I got some beef. I'm sorry, but when I think kimchi, I think South Korea, which doesn't make me think of pork. I apologize, but that's just the deal. They're not, oh wow, which one is this? Is this, oh. This is not the stir-fry or the stir-fry beef I thought it was. I didn't know I had any of this one left. This is Walmart stir-fry beef, and the Walmart stir-fry beef, I don't know, it's flat and wide. That kind of didn't float my boat so much. Okay, and now we add in the goo. So where is the goo cantilevers of choice? Here they are. You may be wondering why I'm wearing an Adidas jacket. Well, here's the deal. I've always wanted one, for one thing. And when I do my walking now, it's like my mom and sister got me this really nice jacket for Christmas. But if it's more than 50 degrees out, there's no way I can wear it. And we're having weird days now where that does tend to happen. So I've kind of come to the conclusion I need something that will allow for me to not get too hot, as it were. So I got this thing. I don't know, it's kind of weird. I like it, but I don't. I feel like I'm wearing some kind of weird Star Trek uniform, which I'm okay with that in the confines of my own home generally, but yeah, I'm gonna kind of mull around here with these onions and such. So in the last episode I mentioned that I had a thing I was dealing with. So I've got a TV and a computer and media files. I want to play them on the computer, on the TV. I've got a Fire TV stick. I want to use Plex, and it's being a real pain in the butt. It wants to use the internet for it, and I don't understand why. I talked to my good buddy Paul S., Hey, Paul S. And he found something that might help. So, but God, I tried setting it up this morning, and then what happens? The children wake up. Yeah. So I had to stop that immediately. Because trying to do something technical, plus screaming children with cars they're trying to drive all over your leg and your face, that just does not work. But yeah. Yeah, I want to watch some movies. I want to watch the new Picard. I really want to see that. Ready to go. But I can't get it off the computer onto the TV. So, I know first name, last name. Why don't you get a USB drive and stick it into your TV set? Yeah, no. The way our TV's mounted, you can't even get to the USB ports. You'd have to take it off, plug in like an extender, and then plug in the USB. Was I right? Was I right that you were just thinking that? Probably everybody was thinking that. I've got a buddy who's so fed up with like third-party software to try to get videos to stream that he just like, that's what he does. But he doesn't have, I don't think he has his, I don't know. I'll have to ask him. But I don't think his TV's mounted on the wall. Maybe it is. No, it is, because, yeah, anyway. Well, I think it's almost time for the vermicellis. So here they are. Little bag of vermicelli. The brand on this one, I believe, was Daisho. Not like Daisho, but Daisho. There's the noodle. And then it calls for 150 mils of water. Here it is. Remember, save your baby bottles. Don't donate them or give them to anybody. Seems like a lot of water. I hope it's not incorrect. I really. Now let's cook the heck out of this stuff and call it a day. It's 12:21 p.m. on the 24th of... Yeah, this seems like it's not right. Kick it into high gear. Cook this down like no tomorrow. Cooking it. But yeah, we're gonna do episodes of the Chocolate Break tonight. I am freaking thrilled about that. It's nice to be able to eat some chocolate. We're gonna do probably 4 episodes. So I pick 4 things, she picks 4 things, and we do 1 each. Yeah, this is like too much freaking liquid. I guess I could look it up, but I'm not gonna. I'm just not gonna. I'm gonna be ticked about this. I'm gonna keep my face a little bit further away, though. That's probably a good plan. One thing I've noticed about when you cook in skillets, if you want to reduce the amount of liquid there, just let it sit and bubble like crazy, because what's going to happen, it's all going to go up. You do it long enough. Hopefully it's somewhat good. Bubble, bubble, bubble. It smells pretty good. Smells like kimchi. Is that nice tang and goodness to it? I think it mentioned like 3 minutes, but I'm not gonna go with this being done yet. Looks lovely though. I wish I had more beef and more veg. I could get more mung bean sprouts, but... I mean, I could swearing that I'm hearing something ticking. Like a little stuff spewing out of this thing. Cook down, you son of a... I'm gonna cook it until the sun comes back out at this rate. Doesn't really say how long to do it. Just kind of like, just do it till it's done, yo. And done for me is gonna be as thick as possible. Granted, this isn't a regular review, obviously, because you have to do the meat and vegetables beforehand, and that obviously impacts the flavor of the dish. But, I mean, to be honest, the vermicelli is really done. Yeah, I think we can call it a day on this. Hold on, Mimi. Papa's got a hot deal over here. It's a hot deal at the Let's Swab sign. Free beef. Mimi, I'm kind of busy. Yeah. Angry Noodles. Pardon the blocked and obstructed view. That will be done with in a moment. All right. So here we are. Here's how it looks. It looks pretty... Oh my god. What do you want, Mimi? Some more what? You want some more chips?
Yeah.
What's the magic word there, little girl? Okay. I have to tend to my daughter. Hello, kitty bowl, please. Are you having a good day, Mimi? Yeah, you happy? Good. Yeah, you happy it's Friday? Yeah. Yeah, we're gonna have a whole nice weekend. There you go. You're very well. Oh yeah? I don't have any lollipops. Kids like to take lollipops and like lick them and then like leave them on the couch. You ever notice that? Anyways. No, there's no lollipops in the couch. I was just talking to the audience. It's silly. So there's like this mound of vermicelli and flavors. So let's see how that is. This is probably really low cal. Mmm. I like it. That's quite good. I'm sorry, but I have to use an egg on something today. It's hot boogers? Is that really what you're saying? Let's have boogers. No. Cheeseburgers? Sometimes I need a translator for my children. You know what I mean? You have a cat? Can your cat eat a whole cheeseburger? Oh, come on. My cat can eat a whole watermelon. Alright, what else can we do here? I'll go with the black ones yet again. That's kind of fun. I keep forgetting I need to buy some more of the blonde ones at the store. I am getting extremely low on blonde sesame seeds. But yeah. Alright. Well, are we ready? I think we're ready. The egg came out alright. Got some black sesame seeds, some vegetables you can't see because they got cooked the heck out of. Fine. Yeah, let's rotate. Oh, noodles?
Noodles.
Yeah. All right. This has been Hans, and this is
Mimi.
wishing you enjoyment of your noodles.
Everything.
Have a good one.